What? I know this isn't my style, but we just kicked Slade's butt. Shouldn't we celebrate or something?
One particularly dashing fellow, which is a unique happenstance, let me tell you. And Thomas, sweet Thomas, innocently acquiesced.
I don't really think he's up to the task. Maybe... But... Here! This is my favorite tea called Hojicha!
Hi! Welcome to the Silly Vision Animation Studio, where magic is made and dreams really come true. Our, tour group is a little small today, but, no worries. So is our animation studio.
For people who know me, they obviously know that, like, video games are such a big part of how I got to where I am, like a culmination of video games and also music, and like putting those two things together.
You are just the sweetest thing. I mean it. From the bottom of my heart.